Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, January 19th, 2023. It is 9:10 and 27 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, laser treatments. So let's up to it here. As simple laser treatments may help prevent non-melanoma skin cancer, the work reveals an easy-to-implement strategy to protect individuals' skin health. Date January 18, 2023. Source: Massachusetts General Hospital. In a study of patients with a history of facial keratinocyte carcinoma, 20.9% of those treated with non-ablative fractional lasers experienced a subsequent keratinocyte carcinoma, compared with 40.4% of patients who did not receive laser treatment. Non-ablative fractional lasers deliver heat in a fractional manner that leaves it fully intact after treatment, unlike ablative fractional lasers that remove the top layer of skin. And they are currently used to treat scars, sun-damaged skin, age spots, and more. However, their effectiveness for preventing skin damage is unknown. The researchers studied patients who had been successfully treated for facial keratinocyte carcinoma in the past. Such patients have a 35% risk of experiencing a subsequent keratinocyte carcinoma within 3 years, and a 50% risk within 5 years. In the study, 43 patients received non-ablative fractional laser therapy, and 52 served as controls and did not receive non-ablative fractional laser therapy. The rate of subsequent facial keratinocyte carcinoma development over an average follow-up of more than 6 years was 20.9% in non-ablative facial laser-treated patients and 40.4% in controls, indicating that patients treated with non-ablative facial laser had about half the risk. When controlling for age, gender, and skin type, control patients were 2.65 times more likely to develop a new facial keratinocyte carcinoma than non-ablative facial laser-treated patients. And also among patients who developed a facial keratinocyte carcinoma, the time to development was significantly longer in patients treated with non-ablative facial laser compared with untreated patients. While the mechanism of non-ablative facial lasers' protective effect is not completely understood, it is suspected that non-ablative facial laser treatment reduces the overall burden of photodamaged keratinocytes and may promote a wound healing response, which gives healthy skin cells a selective advantage. Additional studies are warranted to more critically assess the role of non-ablative facial laser in skin cancer prevention, to reveal the duration of its protective effects, and to determine optimal treatment parameters. And based on this research, it is encouraged for patients to have non-ablative laser treatments to help prevent skin cancer if they are at risk or notice abnormalities. Additionally, it is important to take proper precautions to reduce risk of skin cancer, including wearing sunscreen daily, wearing hats and protective clothing in the sun, performing self-skin examinations. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.